Okay, students, so next is question number 4. I will show you. Okay, so I ask you to do yourself also. If you have tried, that's good, and if you could not do it after trying, then just see here. I will show you. Okay, now question number 4, what it says: they have given universal set whose element is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? 7 8 and 9, these are the elements of universal set. Then the set under this is given is A, whose element is 2 4 6 8, okay, and B, whose element is 2 3 5 7, 2 3 5 7. Okay, now they have asked you to verify means you need to check that A union B is equal to A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement or not. Now this is what? This is your De Morgan's law. It will be always equal. Okay, just we have to verify this one. So number 2, they have asked you A intersection B complement is A complement union B complement. So when you break this one, your operation always change. If it is intersection, it will become union. If it is union, it will become intersection. Okay, so let's try to verify this one. Now this we will try to verify with the help of set only. We will not use Venn diagram here. Okay, so if you want through Venn diagram also you can find out this. Now see here how you will write down. So first thing, always write down the given thing. Universal set is given 1 2 3 dot dot till 9 is given. Okay, next set A is given 2 4 6 8, right? B is given 2 3 5 7. Better write down all the elements here. Okay, don't put dot dot dot. I have to see the length of the video also, that's why I am skipping this one. Anyway, so I have to prove what? A union B complement is equal to this one. I have to find, right? So let's find first A union B. What it is? A union B is all element, right? All element of A and B. So what will be the element here in this set? In this set the element will be 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you can see 2 4 6 8, 2 4 6 8. It's there. 3 4 5 6 3, sorry, 2 3 5 7. 6 is there or not? Yes. 2 4 6 8, 2 3 5 7, 2 3 5 7. So all the elements I have written here. So it will be 2 3. You can write like this also, no problem. Okay, 2 4 6 8 first you write down here. Then you see 2 is already written, so no need. Then next 3 5 7. Order here does not matter at all. In which position you are putting the element does not matter. Both are same. Okay. So you can write anywhere. Okay. Now if A union B is this, what will be our A union B complement? Complement means it will be a set in which A union B element, this element will not be there. Then what will be the element? Other than this, whatever is there in the universal set. Now go back to your universal set. Compare this and this. What are the elements which is there and which is not there? I mean which is there and which is not there. So the element is only 1 and 9. You can see 1 and 9 is not there. So 1 9 will be here. Okay. So other than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is there. So whatever element is here, it cannot be there in complement. So in complement, other than this, whatever elements is there in the universal set, those will come. So 1 and 9 only. Okay. So A union B, I got what? A union B complement, I got element 1 9. Now I have to show that A complement intersection B complement also will have this element. So for that I have to find A complement first. So A complement first, find out what it is. A complement, whatever element is here, here cannot be there. So 2 4 6 8 cannot be here. Then what will be the element? Other than this, whatever is there in the universal. So 1 is there, 2 cannot be there, 3 4 cannot be there, 5 6 cannot be there, 7 8 cannot be there, 9. So 1 3 5 7 9 will be element of A complement. Now let's find out B complement also. B complement is, this is your B set, right? Set B. 2 3 5 7 cannot be there in B complement, right? So other than this, whatever is there in the universal set. So what will be there? 1 2 is there, so 2 cannot be there in B complement. 3 is there, 3 cannot be there in B complement. 4, yes. 5 is there, so 5 cannot be there in B complement. 6, yes. 7 cannot be there. 8, 9. Okay, now I have to find what? A complement intersection B complement. So what it will be? A complement intersection B complement. Intersection means common element between these two. So common element between these two set is which one? 1 is common. 3, is it common? No. 5, no. 7, no. 9, yes, 9 is common. So these two elements are the only one which is common in between this set. Okay, so you can see A union B complement and A complement intersection B complement is having same element. So can I say A union B, therefore A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. If you want, you can mark this one as 2, this one as 1, and here you can write from 1 and 2. A union B complement is equal to this one. Okay, so same way you show the other one also, exactly same way. Okay, so I will show you question number 5 now. So question number 5, what it says, you can see draw appropriate Venn diagram. So this time we have to draw Venn diagram, right? Now see how to draw Venn diagrams for A union B complement. Okay, so for A union B complement, how we will draw Venn diagram. So first thing, question number this one 5. So in this question you can see complement is there. In your first question, A union B complement, the Venn diagram we have to draw. So whenever there is complement, universal set will be there, right? So first thing, what we will draw? Universal set. So universal set, how we represent? Through rectangle. So properly with scale you draw rectangle. Usually they don't ask this kind of question in exam. This is for understanding, but it's better draw properly. Okay, so this is your universal set. So I have written like this. Okay, next inside this, what will be the set? I have to draw A union B complement set, right? So A is there. Okay, next B is there. B, now A and B, whether they have common element or not, we don't know. So what you can do is, you can draw either common element also, you can join this one, or you can draw separately also, doesn't matter, because I need complement only, right? So I will just draw separately. If you want, you can draw in common. Let me see the question if they have given anything about A and B. So draw appropriate Venn diagram for, no, they have not given, so we will take disjoint here. If you want, you can take like this also, this or this you can draw, no problem. You can draw like this also, no problem. Okay, this is your A, this is your B, this is your A, this is your B. Okay, now A union B will be which one? This portion, right? All portion, this one A union B will be this portion, everything. If they would have asked you draw Venn diagram to find out A union B, then we would have shaded this one, and we would have written the shaded region is A union B. Now we are not going to shade this one. We need which one? A union B complement. Now A union B is which one? This one, right? If I draw here, this will be your A union B. Instead of writing A, B, I will simply write A union B here. Okay, this would have been diagram, right, for A union B. Now A union B, if it is this portion, then which one will be A union B complement? A union B complement will be which one? The one which is not there. Other than this, whatever is there in the universal set. So this portion will be your universal set. So with pencil you properly shade it like this. Okay, I can't shade with pen properly. You shade with pencil properly this one, this region. Okay, and here you don't have to do anything here. What you do is shade this region. A union B complement will be which one? Here you write down A union B complement and then shade it. Okay, this way you properly shaded this region like this with pencil. Shade it lightly. Okay, like this. So in below we will write the shaded region is A union B complement. That's it. Don't draw both, okay? Draw one of this. One of this. If you don't write here A union B also, no problem. Don't write. Just write A B, no problem. Here you write down A union B complement. It just you need to understand that this is A union B. Everything. A union B is what? All element of A and B, right? So means this portion will be A union B. So complement will be other than that. So try to shade the region which they have asked you to find. Okay. So this region you shade it. Same way number 2. Number 2 also same way you do it. A intersection. See here. Number 2 they have asked you to A complement intersection B complement. So complement is there means obviously there will be universal set. So this is your universal set. Now see here, A complement intersection B complement is what? Same with A union B complement. So same diagram will be there. Okay, this diagram only you have to draw because this and this are same. Okay. Next, number 3. A intersection B complement. Which one it will be? So what you do is, in this case intersection they have said, so better draw common region first. This is your A, this is your B. So this is A, this is B. So this will be your A complement, A intersection B, right? Common element. A intersection B is this one. So complement will be which one? Other than this, whatever is there in the dark. So don't shade this region. With pencil, properly shade all this. All this you shade it. Okay, properly you shade this one. Properly you shade this one. Lightly you shade with pencil, okay, this portion. Only this portion will be left out. Because this is your A intersection B, common region between A and B, right? So A intersection B complement will be which one? Other than this, whatever is there in the universal set. Okay. So same way, number 4 is exactly same. Number 4 is what? A complement union B complement, which I can write it as A intersection B complement. De Morgan's law, right? So this and this diagram will be same. Last question number 6, not last, sorry. Question number 6, let U be the set of all triangle in a plane if A is set in a set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degree. What is A complement? So see carefully this one. So if let me draw the diagram. So according to question what they have said, try to understand carefully first. So in this question they have said, let U be the universal set, and right, what is universal set? Be the set of all triangles in a plane. So in this case, first try to understand with the help of Venn diagram. So this is what set? Universal set is what? This is a collection of all triangle. Means in this universal set there will be all kind of triangle you will have. Okay, all kind of triangle, isosceles, equilateral, scalene, whatever triangles you have, all triangles of different size, all whatever is there, all will be here in this universal set. Okay, that's what they have said, set of all triangle. If A is a set, now A is set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degree. Now see carefully what kind of triangle you have. Isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two angles are always same, right? So suppose if this is 60, this also will be 60, and if this is 60, what will be this one? 60, 60, 120, so this also will be 60. This is your equilateral triangle, right? This can be considered as isosceles also. Isosceles is a equilateral triangle, and isosceles triangle you can consider same, no problem. It's a special case you can say, because in isosceles triangle what is the condition? Only two sides must be same. Anyway, just leave it. So in equilateral triangle you can see all angles are 60, not even single angle which is different than 60. They have said A is a set of all triangle. Now in this, what kind of triangle will be there? Those triangle in which at least one angle must be different than 60. So for that, if I take isosceles triangle of this type, 45, 45, then this will be something. then you can see one angle, it is different than 60, right? Yes or no? In isosceles triangle, obviously in isosceles triangle, one angle will be different than 60. You cannot take 60 60 this one, because if you take 60 60, this will be 60 again, so it will become equilateral triangle. So for isosceles triangle other than 60, if you take, so what can I say, one angle, at least one angle they said it must be different than 60, so it will become different than 60. So all isosceles triangle will be there in this set. I hope you can understand. In isosceles triangle, one angle, it's obvious, will be different than 60. Because see, two angle, it is always equal in isosceles triangle, right? So right now here I cannot take 60 60. Why 60 I cannot take? The reason is, if I take 60, this angle also will become 60, the equal angle. Because in isosceles triangle, two angles are always equal. So if I take this one 60, this one also 60, the third angle also will become 60. So it will become equilateral triangle only. Okay. So to make different kind of isosceles triangle, what I can take is, other than 60 I have to take. So if I take other than 60, then obviously one angle, obviously I can say that it is different than 60. Anything you take, if you take 45, then no need to write other angle, then you can see one angle. They have said A is a set of triangle in which at least one, at least means minimum one must be different than 60. Minimum one already we got. So all isosceles triangle will be there in this set. Okay, all isosceles triangle, whatever size it is, it might be bigger, smaller, whatever it is, because they have said it is a set of all triangle in which at least one angle must be different than 60. If bigger isosceles triangle, in that bigger isosceles triangle also one angle obviously will be different than 60, right? So those angle also will be there. So all isosceles triangle will be there. Next, scalene. Now in scalene, you know, all angle are different angle. So obviously if this is 60, you cannot take this one as 60. So if I cannot take this one as 60, so say 45, then this will become different than 60. So if it is different than 60, then that triangle also will be there in this set, because they have said A is a set of triangle in which at least one angle must be different than 60. So obviously in scalene triangle, one angle will be different than 60. So all scalene triangle will be there. Is it clear? Next is right angle triangle. All different type of triangle you must discuss, right? Because in your universal says all triangles are there: isosceles, equilateral, scalene, and right angle triangle. This all triangle will be there in this universal set. But in your set A, only some particular will come. Isosceles triangle will be there, all isosceles, because in isosceles at least one angle obviously will be different than 60, right? This is also, I said, it's a special case of isosceles, you can say. If you just consider like this, I have to check for isosceles triangle, what you have to check, only two angle must be same. So two angle, if I see, it is same, so this you can consider as isosceles triangle. But whenever this two angle is 60 60, then you have seen that third angle also become 60. So this they have given a special name, in different category they have put this, they have named it as equilateral triangle. Okay, so that's why I said that this is special case of isosceles triangle also. But since you can see, if you make this one 60 60, this becomes 60 again. So this is kind of different case again. You got 60 60 60. When you take this one 60 60, this also becomes 60. So they have given a special name for this isosceles triangle. You can take, say, equilateral triangle, this one. Okay, so this I will put in a different category. So isosceles triangle, when I will say, try to understand, this will be the one which I am not taking 60 60, because if you take 60 60, this becomes 60, and for that I have special name again, equilateral triangle. So those equilateral triangle I will keep it outside. Why? Because in equilateral triangle all angle are 60 60 60. So in set A, what triangle must be there? Those triangle in which at least one, means minimum one angle must be different than 60. So you can see in equilateral triangle, not even single angle is different than 60. So you cannot put that triangle here. So equilateral triangle will be outside. Then what about right angle triangle? Right angle triangle also will be in A. Why? Because in right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree, right, which is different than 60. So right angle triangle or right angle triangle will be also here. Okay. Next, what about scalene? Scalene obviously will be there in this set, because in scaling all angle must be different. So if you take one angle 60, the other angle obviously will be different. So if it is different, I can say one angle is different than 60. So if it is different than 60, one angle also, then it will be on the set A. Okay. So all this triangle will be in set A, except equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle will be outside this set. So what they have asked you to find here is, they have asked you to find out A complement. Okay, A complement they have asked you to find out. So this is your A. So A complement will be which one? Obviously other than this. So this will be your A complement. Okay, so this we have understood through Venn diagram. Now how you will write down answer? Very simple answer. You just write down given universal set, you mention it, A you mention it. Now A complement, simply write down. Directly you can write down the answer. You have understood from the Venn diagram, right? So directly you can write down set of equilateral triangle. All set of equilateral triangle. Okay, A complement is nothing but set of equilateral triangles. So I hope you have understood this question also. If you have doubt, you can ask me regarding this. Okay, then next number is question number 7, the last one, which is fill in the blank to make each of the following true statement. Okay, each of the following are true statement. Okay, so you have to fill this blank. A union A complement, what it will be? A union A complement. If you have confusion, draw the Venn diagram. Set A is this one. So A complement will be which one? This one. This portion will be A complement. Now if I take union, union means what? All element of this and this. All element of this and this, if I take, what it will be? Everything, right? Means universal set. Okay. A union A complement. A element I have to take. Union I am taking, right? Union means all element of this and this. So all element of this I will take, and this also if I take, what it will become? Obviously universal set. Okay, so in this way you try to fill up other blanks also. Okay, phi complement, what it will be? This is your universal set, set A. So phi means empty. So phi means outside it will be, right? Phi means empty means what? In universal set element will be there, right? So this universal cannot be considered as phi. So phi will be here. So complement of phi will be what? Everything I can say. Complement of empty is what? Full I can say, right? Yes or no? Or complement of nothing. Phi means what? There is nothing, right, inside the set. So complement of nothing is what? Everything it will be. So complement of phi will be universal set. Okay. Now see here what they have asked is phi complement intersection A. So if you don't understand this way, what you can do, phi complement, what it is? Universal set, intersection A. So if you have universal set like this and set A, so between universal set and A, what is common between this and this? Everything. Universal set means everything, this everything, right? And this is your set A. So what is common between A and this? Obviously this portion. This portion is there in A also as well as in universal set. So for this, what will be the answer? A only. Okay, so in this way try other also. A intersection A complement also you try it. So this is your A, this is your A complement. So what is common between these two? Nothing. So this will be phi, number 3. I hope you can understand. Intersection, you have to find A intersection A complement. What it will be? Phi, because A is this portion. A complement is other than this one. So is there anything common between these two? Nothing. So phi. Last one is U complement. U complement means everything complement will be what? Phi. Okay. U complement intersection A means phi intersection A. What is common between nothing and A? Nothing only. Okay.